Assembly of source files for editing on the Blackbird timeline can be handled in a number of ways. This tutorial will focus on dragging sources from the Blackbird Files window or library to the timeline. To begin, simply drag and drop a clip from the Files window to the timeline, and repeat the assembly process. Notice that I can leave space if desired. When you assemble in this manner, any in or out point marks on the sources or timeline are ignored, and the entire clip will be used. This allows you to see the entire clip used in the assembly, which can be rearranged and trimmed at any point. Additionally, if you add a clip to the middle of the sequence, the mouse will snap to the closest edit transition point and will insert the clip. I'll discuss more traditional edit styles like marked, insert, overwrite, and replace edits in an upcoming video. For this function, drag and dropping from the Files window method will not allow you to overwrite a clip. This is to protect you from unintentionally chopping off part of a clip already in the timeline. To add, you could select multiple clips through a lasso selection, a range of clips through shift selection, or use the control key for a variable picked selection in the Files window and drag them to the timeline. At that point, you can assemble by date order, alphabetically, or auto-sync into a sync map or multi-camera group. Notice the name of the first clip I added to the timeline automatically becomes the sequence name as well. That name can be changed at any point in time. Finally, with additional tracks enabled on the timeline, clips can be assembled in a checkerboard manner for video and audio, with audio and video auto-patching based on the mouse drop position. In the next tutorial, I'll discuss dragging folders.